It's gonna be loud out here. My cousin is weed whacking his lawn next to me, next to my house. So that's the one flower pot. I still have to clean up. My nails are full of dirt. Let me take you to the other one on the other side. There's my empty bags of potting soil. I probably could have used one more bag, but so far so good. Okay, so all the plants are in. I'm gonna get water and water them, and then I'm gonna document what I bought and how many, because I don't even know how to say some of the names of some of these. But so far so good. Alrighty, so it has now been 1 week. They're blooming like crazy. Like this one was just a bud, and it just blossomed. I'm like, oh my gosh! And this yellow and white, look at it. It's just, they're flourishing for sure. I don't know how long. Let me take you around to the other one, and look at buds. Like these right here were buds a couple days ago. And they're blooming. Amazing.